Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about second category of the parser, that is called bottom-up parser. Welcome again, and the next topic is bottom-up parsing. Okay, so we'll start with bottom-up parsing, and this is the introduction part. We have seen the top-down parsing that we have to derive a sentence by using start symbol. Now what we need to do is will be given, what is the steps here, that we are given with the string of tokens. Okay, we are given with the string of tokens. So we are not going forward way, we are coming bottom up, and there is a string of tokens. Repeat the reductions, matches the right hand side of the production with substring of alpha. So we will find some substring. Okay, now we are finding some substring of alpha. Okay, and what we'll do, we replace the right hand side of the production with the left hand side of the production until no more production rule is applies. Okay, until no more production. So we keep on doing this thing, we'll replacing right hand side with left hand side until no more production rule applies. Then backtrack, or alpha becomes a symbol. Alpha becomes a start symbol. Okay, that is the important term. So until unless it becomes S, we'll keep on doing this thing, or nothing applies, so we'll backtrack from there. Okay. So generally bottom-up parsing, when we'll talk about, there will be no backtracking, but for initial level, yes. So what it is trying to say here, just look at this grammar. This is the grammar G and this is the string W, and let me just give you that what exactly it means by this substring, few terms, few confusing terms, substring of alpha and replacing right hand side with the left hand side, no more production, or alpha become the start symbol. Okay, so this is the exact process that bottom-up parser follows. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just derive this string, this A double B C D E. I'll try to derive this. Okay, so by using this S start symbol, S derive A B, okay, sorry, A, okay, okay, so this is A, capital A, B, and E. I'm taking rightmost derivation over here, and I'll try to expand this B. Okay, and here I want the symbol here in this case is a D symbol I want, and from B to D only one way possible, that is P to D. So now S to small a, capital A, and then D and E. Okay. Next I want here the symbol as so I need the three more symbol, and that will be B, B, and C. And if I look at here, that B, B, C can be derived by this A. So let me just expand this A, and it will become small a, and A can be replaced by capital A, B, C, and already we have a D, E. This is the replacement part. And finally what I will do, I'll just replace this A by B. So it will become A, B, B, C, D, E. So now this is a forward way. Okay, this is a forward way. Okay, this is a forward way. What we want is something that the same thing that will be reversed. So now what we'll do here, so this is a perfect derivation, this is a derivation, we call this thing as a derivation. Okay, now what we are looking for is something like a situation where we'll start with this. We'll start with A, B, B, C, D, E, and then this is my alpha, and here we'll look for some sort of substring, and like this is the substring, and then I'll replace it by, so my substring here, try to understand, my substring for this alpha is B, and I'll take the production A derive B. So what I will do, I will take the right hand side of the production, this is the right hand side of the production, and I'll replace this right hand side production with the left hand side of the production. So this will become A, capital A, B, C, D, and E. This replacement of right hand side to left hand side is the process that is called reduction. This is the process that is called reduction. Now in the next step, what we'll do here, we'll take the entire ABC over here and I will convert this into ABC will be reduces to capital A. So it will become A, then D and D. In the next step, what we'll do here, that A and this will become B and E. And then the last step, I'll convert this entire A, small a, capital A, B, E. I'll reduce it to S and that is become the start symbol. So the key term here is the reduction, and the definition of the reduction is, means if you want to define the reduction is nothing but replacing, okay, replace right hand side of production rule to left hand side of production. Okay, so or here I've been, you know, in this entire process I'm using the correct step or correct reduction actually, and that's why I don't require backtracking. Correct reduction steps I'm using, and that's why I required no backtracking. But in real world, suppose I started with this here, I could have tried B and then I could have backtrack and then I tried another one. So I know I have written, that's why I've written this forward order derivation, and that is the only reason I've choose the correct step here in this case. But that is the essence of the bottom-up parsing, that we have to get this as the start symbol. Okay, so that is the introduction of bottom-up parsing. We'll now go deep into this and find more details of bottom-up parsing, how this entire thing can be achieved. Thank you.